Jones's Andrea. Patriot basketball, Katie Post. Patriot basketball, Tiara Jones.
So talk about that fourth quarter.
Well, I think we finally got them a little tired in the second half. We finally got some transition bucket. We wanted to pressure for 4 quarters, and we finally got some steals and some easy buckets, and that got us running. They couldn't pressure as much the second half because of our pressure. But I can't take away anything from our kids. Our kids played with heart for 4 quarters today, and they gave everything they had. I cannot take that away. I just guided them and helped them, so they did it on their own.
Well, Coach told us at the end of halftime that we have to come out and we have to have the lead at the end of the third quarter if we want to still be in this game. So we all just decided he said the main thing that we need to do is pick up our defense. So we started pressuring them harder, and they started turning the ball over, and then we just came back from there.
Just everybody pulling together on the bench and encouraging us to get the job done. Tierra made some big shots at the end. We had free throws made, so I think we did